Hey everyone! Today we are diving into an exciting topic that will supercharge your communication abilities. Have you ever wondered how to express yourself more precisely and effectively in everyday conversations? Well, I have got you covered. In this video, we will explore 20 intermediate and advanced verbs that will instantly elevate your spoken and written English. So please stick around till the end of the video to learn all 20 verbs with their meanings and 2 examples of each. Are you ready? Let's begin. Our first verb is articulate. She could articulate her ideas in a way that everyone could understand. Can you articulate your opinion on this topic? Next verb is elaborate. He asked her to elaborate on her plans for the project. Could you please elaborate on what you meant by that statement? Next is comprehend. It took him a while to comprehend the complex instructions. I need more time to comprehend the information you just shared. Then we have convey. She used body language to convey her disappointment. The painting conveys a sense of tranquility. Then we have discern. With her sharp eyes, she could discern the smallest details. It's difficult to discern the truth from all the rumors. Next we have enunciate. The teacher encouraged the students to enunciate their words during the presentation. He needed to enunciate the speech properly to be understood by the audience. Evaluate. The committee will evaluate the proposals before making a decision. She evaluated her options before choosing the best course of action. Next we have exemplify. The Olympic athlete exemplifies hard work and dedication. The painting exemplifies the artist's unique style. Next we have expound. The professor will expound on the topic during the lecture. He loves to expound on his theories about the universe. Next we have illustrate. The diagram will illustrate how the process works. Can you illustrate your point with a real-life example? Next we have inquire. He called to inquire about the availability of the product. May I inquire about your plans for the weekend? Next is justify. She tried to justify her lateness by explaining the traffic jam. You need to justify why you deserve a raise. Next we have negotiate. They will negotiate the terms of the contract with the client. We need to negotiate a fair price for the car. Next we have perceive. I perceive a hint of sarcasm in his tone. She could perceive the tension in the room. Next we have persuade. He used logical arguments to persuade the audience. Can you persuade her to join us for dinner? Next we have rationalize. He tried to rationalize his actions by saying he was under a lot of stress. He had to rationalize why she chose to change her major. Next we have reconcile. They need to reconcile their differences and find a solution. It's challenging to reconcile his behavior with his words. Next we have synthesize. The report synthesizes data from various sources. He can easily synthesize information from different fields. Next one is validate. The experiment's results validate the hypothesis. She received the certificate to validate her skills. And the last one is verbalize. It can be difficult for some people to verbalize their emotions. She verbalized her concerns during the meeting. Congratulations on completing the journey of discovering these 20 powerful verbs. Remember, practice is the key. So make an effort to use these verbs in your daily interactions. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep shining in your English language journey. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.